How to use an Argos gift card or voucher online. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use gift card or voucher online. So in order to redeem your coupons or gift card, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you're going to log into your argos.co.uk, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you can go ahead and locate a particular item that you wish to buy. So you can use your gift card as a way of payment method during the checkout procedure in order to get certain amount of discount. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select a random product, and when you select the product, you can go through the info and all that, and likewise you could go ahead and click on add to trolley. When you've added the product to your bag or to your trolley, then it's going to take you to the page. You would go ahead and tap on go to trolley, and you can start with the summary page. Right on this page, you'll be able to find all of these information. So you could go ahead and select pay now and collect. Then it's going to direct you to the billing page, where you have to go ahead and enter in all of these information. Next page, there will be a payment source where you have to go ahead and add a card details, and next you will also be able to find this option as gift card or voucher. On the following page, you could go ahead and type in the card digit, and when you've done that, you'll be able to see that you've got certain amount of discount if the card seems to be valid enough. So that is how you can go ahead and use your gift card or voucher on the Argos account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.